Almonds contain a high biotin content. Supplement your diet with a cup of almonds a day. Your hair will start to grow faster after a few weeks. Avocados can be used not only in cooking, but also in the preparation of hair creams. Avocados contain essential fatty acids that stimulate the production of collagen and elastin. Avocados are delicious, nutritious, and a great source of healthy fats. Eggs contain both omega-3 and biotin, but beware, it is the yolk that makes hair longer, not the white of the egg. Eating adequate protein is important for hair growth because hair follicles are mostly made of protein. A lack of protein in the diet has been shown to promote hair loss. Salmon is an essential food for a healthy, balanced diet. In fact, it helps our body in a variety of ways, including in hair growth. Oysters are rich in zinc, a key element that helps make the scalp healthy and prevents hair loss. Definitely not a cheap remedy, but certainly the most curious. A lack of zinc in the diet may promote telogen effluvium, a common but reversible form of hair loss caused by a lack of nutrients in the diet.